Once you feel you are avoided by someone, never disturb them again. Only those who care about you can hear you when you are quiet. You learn a lot about people when they don't get what they want. You learn nothing from life if you think you are right all the time. The person who tries to keep everyone happy and always cares for everyone is always the most lonely person. Strange but true. You cannot force someone to respect you, but you can refuse to be disrespected. Stay away from people who make you feel like you are not worth their time. Your life is a result of your choices. If you don't like your life, it's time to make someone better choices.